Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Tuesday. I'm going to show you a collection and assortment, okay, of beauty products that I ordered from the brand What's Up Beauty, okay? So I saw a YouTube video from the YouTuber Jig Out of Water, and she introduced a brand that they sent some products for her to basically swatch and use and see how she feels. So once I saw her videos and she continued using the products, I was in love. Okay, let me show you a couple. So I ordered the blushes. Here is, we're gonna open together. Okay, I went to the post office and get the package, and then I had the highlighter. What's Up Beauty Serenity highlighters. We have here. The highlighters are made in China, but the blushes and the bronzers are made, I believe, in Italy. Okay, and yep, it is. We have bronzer. Let's see. I'm gonna check here. Yes. So let's start with one of the blushes, number 40, Gentle Genova. Okay, so here is, it's beautiful. Okay, this is the embroidery and how it looks like. Okay, and here is What's Up Beauty, and let's see, okay, how it looks like. I want to do that first impression for you guys, because when I saw this is beautiful, guys. She was right. Look at this, and look at this. Oh my god. And it's the Cheeky Terre blush. What's Up Beauty, and it has a mirror. It have a protective film, and this is the color that I ordered. It's kind of dark. Look at this. And obsessed. Okay, guys, look at this. Beautiful. I like it because Jig of Out of Water, okay? She was saying that she's have a fair complexion, so she loves like ready tones, and I love bronzer that has fragrance. So I'm gonna swatch here. I'm gonna mix both. And guys, oh my god, look at this. Let me just go a good here, swatch. And it is, this blush is beautiful. Look at this. Kind of capiche. Correction, in the bronzer, she says the darker one that is designed for dark skin tones, it have a ready undertone, but this is beautiful, okay? And this is number 40, the blush, okay? And it is Cheeky Terre Bake. It's a bake blush. Bake and press powder blush number 40, Gentle Genova, okay? We have that one here, beautiful. Let's do a bronzer, okay? And I wanna see, this is the one, the light one. I'm gonna show you for the dark one, okay? So I had the dark, that is the dip, okay? Number 40. And that's the one that she said that is like a reddish undertone. So let's open together. Oh, and this is, I will show you something. The bronzers are in purple. Look at that embroidery. I'm freaking dying. Look at this. This is for the darkest that they have, okay? So let's take the film here. And this is how it looks like, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. For dark skin tones, let me see. Let me do a swatch with one. Here we are. Let's see. Guys, this is nice. Yes, it has that reddish undertone. Let's go again. Here is that's the bronzer. Look at, guys. Yeah, reddish undertones. And this is the number 40, okay? 40 dip, okay? That's the darker of the line. Love that. I'm obsessed, okay? Let's do here. Let's do one of the highlights, the two. Okay, the highlights that I'm gonna open, it comes like that. Look at the embroidery in the box, the back. And this is the Coral Safari Sunset, okay? And we are going to look this. Let's see. I'm obsessed so far, so beautiful. And let's see if I can open it. Here it is. Oh my god, guys, look at this. So beautiful. And the color is Sunset Safari. Okay. Are you ready for this? It has the film here, and look at this. Are you freaking kidding me? What's Up Beauty? Okay, let's do, I'm gonna do, not mixing, I just wanna do here. Okay, obsessed. This is, I'm like no worse. And then let's do here. They are so freaking silky, guys. Look at this. The highlighters. And this is the one, okay? You have two there. You can mix if you want. Love this. Oh my God. And just let you know, this is not sponsored. This is, I bought this with my own money, okay? And I'm so grateful, okay, that I love it. And this is the one. The other highlighter is Acacia Wild, okay? This is the one. And let's see. Let me see. It came very secure, the package. Here's a line. Look at those. Those packages are beautiful. And this is Wild Acacia. And let's see. Gorgeous, guys. Look at this. Okay, let me see if I have fingers that are clean. And let's see. Okay, it is like, I'm obsessed. And okay, here we are. So gorgeous. And honestly, these highlighters are done in China, but let me tell you, the overlay, this is a big one. And it doesn't have any fallout. Amazing, okay? Let's do from the bronzers for light one, okay? Because I want that you look the light ones. And they come in the purple boxes. This is gorgeous, okay? And this is the Shaky Terre Bake and Press Powder Bronzer in Light number 10. Let's do it. Oh my God, let's do the film. This is how it looks like, guys, okay? Unbelievable, finely milled. Okay, so we're gonna use my other, and I'm gonna mix it. This one is, I would say, it doesn't, oh yeah, it looks now. So here is, you see, perfect. The neutral for fur skin's gonna look amazing. You gotta work. If you are fur to like me, you gotta work. But it's beautiful, guys. I think it's gonna look beautiful for any fur skin. Buy this. This is beautiful, okay, guys? And let's see the last one, guys. I'm obsessed, okay? What's a beauty? My goodness. The lipstick is amazing, guys, and it's a pinky nude in my skin tone, okay? It might look different in medium to dark skin tones, but this is beautiful and it's a matte one. Okay, here we go again. And this is the color Bake and Press Powder Blush, and this is the Peaceful Pizza, okay? And they're vegan. Just so you know, these products are talc-free, clean, cruelty-free, vegan, 99, natural and active ingredient. Has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, guys. Obsessed. Let's take it out this. Can we talk about, okay, guys, about this bronze, about this blush? Oh my God. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do it. Chum, chum. Wanna mix everything? Oh, this is pretty, guys. And let's just do here my brain. I'm obsessed. This is probably my favorite pink. This is the color in top. Look at this. Can you imagine? And it has some, I would say some luminosity. It's not complete. It doesn't say that or shimmer, but it's love that. Guys, one more time. This is amazing. Okay. What's Up Beauty? Highly recommend. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you the lipstick. Okay, guys, it came in a package like that. Okay. And this is called, let me just put it here. What's Up Beauty, and this is Egyptian Queen lipstick in the color Siva. Okay, are you ready? Because this is luxury, guys. Look at how amazing is that. And this, okay, this has the embroidery here. What's Up Beauty, and this is magnetic closure. Look at this, and look at the design. You see that it looks okay, like if it's gonna be like more brown neutral. Look at this. This is the embroidery, guys, and this is what I have here. It's creamy, it's not flat matte, and it's amazing. And I'm gonna do a swap here. Look at that, stunning. What's Up Beauty, amazing, and a new customer. Love your products. Have a great day, guys. Check it out. What's Up Beauty.